Hello everyone, today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. So first tie the hairs on the back like this, join small sections and tie them on the top. Now we will make this bun using this hairstyling tool. Roll it upward like this and then fold it from the sides properly and settle the hairs by spreading it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top on the left side. Now, on the right side, we will divide the hairs into small sections. Divide the hairs and tie them like this one by one. Join them together and fix it on the left side. Make the plaits and then fold it upward and fix it. And it's ready. Next, comb the hairs properly. After that, tie small section of the hairs on the top, or you can say half of the hairs. Now we will divide the hairs into small sections. Now roll them like this together and make the plaits. Fix them upward by joining together. Now divide the hairs and spread it like this on the top. Now roll it from the sides, fold it and fix it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will comb the hairs properly like this. After that, we will divide the hairs into small sections on the top. Take the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now join the hairs from the sides and then rotate it like this using the hairstyling tool. Divide the hairs and make the plaits. Fold it and fix it on the top and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will comb the hairs properly. First spray it and then comb it. After that, we will divide the hairs in the front. Tie them on both the sides. Now at the back, we will join the hairs and tie them. Now make the plaits and roll it upward to make the bun. Fix it. After that, divide the hairs into two parts. Make the plaits and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Take small section of the hairs on it and make the plaits. Divide rest of the hairs and make a bow on the top like this. Fix it. Now we will divide the hairs into small sections, tying the rubber bands like this. Fix it till the end and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie a beautiful hairstyle, so watch the video till the end. So after that, we will divide the hairs into three parts. Fix this beautiful hairband on the hairs and fix the ribbons by making the plaits. Tie them on the sides. Now fold it upward and fix it. Now using the ribbon, we will roll it around the rubber band like this and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail on the right side. Now on the left side, join small section of the hairs like this. Now rotate them one by one. After that, we will join all of them together as shown in the video. Rotate it again first and after that join them. Now fix it on the right side like this. Now tie the plaits and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs, divide them into two parts and make the plaits on it. Now divide the hairs into two sections, join all the hairs on the sides, make the plaits and fold it upward like this. Fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.